Hi everyone, welcome back to online classes. And first of all, I'm very happy to back to our new academic year 2021. And as you know that, so we're still in the COVID-19, so that's why we cannot manage to back to physical classes. So happy to back to online teaching, and you are a student as learning also online, and you are all experienced last year how you manage your time through learning online, and I hope that even you will be able to manage yourselves and your times to to learn on online environments. So yeah, that is very good to start by today. And we're gonna start the first unit about the understandings the earth and its people. So you are going to learn in this unit about the geography, about the world, about the people, about the maps. So today's lesson is it is the general knowledge about the earth and people, and you're going to learn about what does it mean earth, and the earth how it looks like, and who is living on the earth, and is there any other planet that looks like the earth and the people can manage to live there. So yeah, let's see. So the first questions here, I'm going to ask everyone, and it is important everyone to know here, what is Earth? So you are living on the Earth, that's it's very important to know what is the Earth. As you see here, this is the Earth. Okay, so this is the Earth. Okay, so Earth is looks like the ball, right? So let's go by definition. What is the Earth? Earth is the planet we live on. So we are live on this Earth, right? It is the one of the 8 planets that we are living on it. It is the third planet from the sun. So that means is the Earth is located after the third planet from the sun. Okay? And it is the only planet known to have life on it. So that means it is only from 8 or 9 planets that no one has the good and has the environment that the people can live. It's only Earth planets. So we cannot live on other planet, like for example the Mars or the Pluto or Neptune or the moon or the sun planet. So we cannot live there. So we can live only on sun planet. Okay, so the Earth formed around when the Earth formed. So the Earth formed around 1.4 million or billions years ago. So this is the time that the Earth formed around. This is the scientists find out that they said that by their studies, and they find out that the Earth formed 4.5 billion years ago. Okay, right. So the next question: how does Earth look like? Our Earth that we are living in, how it looks like? So the answer is Earth looks like a blue marble with white squirrels. So look here, it look like the blue, right? So the first is look like the ball, and it is all looks like blue, right? And also the white is swirls. So here, if you can see the white is swirl, so swirls mean the movement or the movement of the earth, and here something looks like the white is called the swirls. Some parts are the brown, so you can see some parts of the brown, and some are the yellow and the greens, okay, and also white. So all this is the here how the shapes, earth shapes looks like. So water covers most of the earth. See here, if you see here, it's only this is the land. So that means the more than half of the earth covered by water. Okay. So for example, 70% by the earth covered by water, only 30% is the land that's where we are living, and the animals also living with us. Okay, so this is uh, the earth. So this is the earth. You see here there are some pictures that I provided. It will help you to understand. So this is the how the earth looks like. Okay, and this is the world map. So you can understand also the earth by looking the maps. So here there are different continents, right? So here we have 7 continents, and we have here Asia and the Europe here, Africa and Australia, and here North America and South America, and down here Antarctica. Okay, so this is the maps also shows or let us we can understand the Earth. Okay, in the first beginning here, you're gonna understanding the earth and its people, right? So now you already and this I think that you learn so how the earth is looks like, right? And you're gonna learn also the people. So as you know here, the people on the earth. So here the people on the earth, they are living on this earth, and also this map shows us different people from different continents living in this earth. Okay, so here, so we can understand here there are different people on the earth. Okay, people are people, but they different in their shapes and their colors and in their size, right? And they are different from continent to another continent, right? So if you see here, there are different people around the world, right? Some people from, for example, here from the China, some people from India, some people from Africa, some people from Australia, some people from the Europe, some people from the Middle East. Okay, so yeah, different people. Okay, different people from different continents. Okay, so this is the way how the earth forms, and this is the way how the people are managing the earth and the living on the earth. So we are responsible as we are human living on the earth. We have to be responsible to protect the earth and to keep the earth safety, and also to keep our environment around the earth. Okay, so that's why if these people they work collectively, working differently from the different parts of the world, and they communicate in each other, so then the people they learn each other, and they protect the earth, they can save the earth, as well as safety and good environment. Okay, so this is all today. It is about telling you the background about the earth and the people. Okay, so the next lessons you are going to learn the deeper more about the earth and the geography. Okay, so thank you so much. If you don't understand anything, so please, if you don't understand some area, so please you can write your comment on the stream. Thank you so much. See you next. Have a nice day.